gonna show you how to make a bracelet. So don't cut it like any shorter than this. Then you take your two pieces, make this one a lot shorter so that you have more to work with. And then take your fingers like this. And then you just pull through. And if it gets like caught, here, I'm gonna go fast real quick just to show like if it gets caught. Gets caught, just move it up and then it will be fixed. Don't do that yet. So then once it gets really short, try to make as much as you can and then just pull this through. Then once you put it on, you can tie it.